Hey, Daiwa, look at my bear.
Oh, wow, that's a nice one.
Thank you.
What's his name?
Her name is Zimbabwe.
Why Zimbabwe?
So I can call her Zimba when I'm mad.
Okay.
Listen, Wei, you're gonna grow up to be strong and beautiful.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Can you not interrupt me?
My bad.
But first, you have to do your homework and then wash the dishes, okay? Now spread your wings and fly away!
Did you just throw your baby?
Bitch, I'm a mother! No drama!
Alright, I'm sorry.
Don't tell me how to raise my kids.